lecture is on root. The root is what the features is definition of root, या types of root, या modification of root, या functions of root, या parts of roots पर details में
Yes.
One part and we plant that is called as stem. The stem is on show. अगर तो याद है इसमें इंसान germination का समझो, इंसान seed germinate का समझो. Germination is इसमें blinking शॉट में radical, तो है कि इसमें palmule. Usually radical show, so root given, palmule show stem. The root product gets वो इसमें कई बार खास यूजन स्टेम शो प्लांट सपार्ट यूजन अमी सीड के यम साथ जर्मिनेशन गसन छु पैलिम्यूल पटने अराइज गसन तवे करो डिफाइन स्टेम इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लांट व्हिच emerges or arises from palmule and it arises or emerges from palmule तम साथ stem it comes out of the soil. It is also called as aerial part. This is also called as aerial part of a plant. It is called as aerial part of a plant. It comes out of the soil from this palmule. Now it is an aerial part of plant. Go issue towards light to it has a response of the stem is called as positively phototropic. Positively phototropic, but it is negatively geotropic. Negatively geotropic. It per root that is positively geotropic, but negatively phototropic, as root always goes into the soil. Stem always comes out of the soil. The stem is positively phototropic, but it is negatively geotropic. The stem in some is stem अगर shows कोई plant stem असमतन चीज़ कुछ है आत्मजन चासन ऐसे parts आसन बड़े चीज़ है आत्मजासन node in a jointed अगर shows plant jointed man असमतन one part that is called as node. Between two nodes, it is called as internode. Internode. Suppose this is one node, this is another node. The one node in the is a part of that is called as internode. The node is unsure, you should support us. Young patterns and leaf arise. या ये पैटर्न बर्ड अराइज गसन लीफ अराइज गसन या बर्ड अराइज गसन या ब्रांच अराइज गसन अच्छे से नो तो वो तनु मतलब कोई सिस्टम आसन छु आत्मस अगर शोस आत्मस एंड पैच वाले पार्ट्स अराइज गसन या इट होल्ड्स वेरियस पार्ट्स आत्मन जासन लीफ शॉपर आसन आत्मन फ्लावर आसन आत्मन फ्रूट आसन fruit chapter asan ya branches chapter asan go these are parts you hold a stem karan show even sadly in a stem with all these parts suppose stem with all these parts that is called as shoot system that is one shoot system so the boards the exams was a question is write a note on shoot system or the first root system the root is primary root chasm, secondary root chasm, tertiary root chasm. In certain parts here around root system. If I put stem stems pattern in some baki parts as leaf branch flower fruit that is called as root system. Usually stem it holds or it bears leaves, flowers, fruits, branches, etc. So now we are using stem asan through. At stems two parts asan application one is called as node. It is called as node. Between two nodes it is called as internode. Usually node asan and pattern to have on the leaf near and pattern nearby. Suppose it's not leaf. The parts it's not leaf. Usually part asan part. I think angle one and between this stem and this leaf. The stalk of stem and this leaf. Usually part when it's an angle. Suppose it's very leaf. It's leaf. Usually arch. A part is in the bunch, it makes an angle. That angle is called as axile. That is called as axile angle. So, अगर I body में तो that body is an axillary body. That is called axillary body. And usually angle body angle is an axile. So, अगर I means a body में तब बड़ा सिस्टम एक्सिलरी पार्ट वो अच्छी एंगल बना एंगल सिस्टम ये स्टेम आसन छो ये स्टेम का आसन वारिया टाइप एंड वेन वी आर आसन टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेम the stem is on classified into various types and the stem is classified into various types but it depends upon branching pattern. Yeah, depends upon branching. In a can branch stem, branches totally absent asan. Can stem, branches present asan. So, as bunyad stem is true, which is classified into various types. The first is called as culum. That is called as culum. Usually, culum asan, you should common plant asan, branching absent. Branching isn't true, that is absent. Example of the explain bamboo plant. Bamboo ashtai, both look at this curve, both funless. Bamboo plant isn't true. The stem isn't true. I like trust monopod. Bamboo plant is monopod, but it is woody. The secondary wood that is abnormal secondary wood have exceptional case. Otherwise, monopod is the secondary wood. Secondary wood is a serious one. Dipart. So, you should ask the other bamboo plant is a jointing pattern. These are nodes. These are nodes. This is one major part which we call as internode. Branching totally absent. Stem is called as culum. And the stem where branching is totally absent, it shows distinct nodes and internodes. And a prominent nodes of the present asan should be a ring-like structure. So jointing pattern of the asan, nodes is distinct asan. Stem is culum. Second is called as columnar. The columnar is true. Explain the most palm tree. Palm tree is true. So plant himself, tree himself is that tree's pattern is the main trunk shasana. The main trunk shasana unbranched. Main trunk is unbranched, branching pattern is absent. Bulky shakal leaf scars. The leaves are township, especially scars are scale-like structures, leaf scars present. The terminal portion, the apex and the tree that is near leaves. On the top, on the terminal part of this tree, the leaves arise. So it gives palm-like appearance. Palm tree the arch is called as columnar stem. And a stem, that means the main trunk branching absent. The bulky leaves in the on the terminal, on the top or apex of the tree stem arise. The tree is a third type of stem, that is called as excurrent. That is called as excurrent. Third type of stem, that is called as excurrent. external is using a plant or a tree mainly it is found in gymnosperms. And external stem is true, it is mainly found in gymnosperms. Gymnosperms. For example, pinus. Okay, that was interesting. I think it was the main trunk, main. You have branching here, after branching pattern present also. But this branching pattern is acropetal. Branching pattern is acropetal. Branching pattern is acropetal branching. Yeah, branching pattern is branching. Acropetal branching. Yani, long or old branches at the base, young at the top. You should cone shaped appearance. Cone appearance. Conifers. These are called as conifers. The branching pattern that is acropetal. The old are at the base and young are at the top. The stem is called as external stem. The example happens on pinus tree or gymnosperms, stem present also. Fourth type of stem is true, that is called as decarn. Decarn. In the endosperms, which is for example apple tree remotes, mango remotes, apple tree remotes, tree remotes. Yes. Germination. The plant is a tree one. The main trunk. Can some sheep grow branching. So branching is pattern vigorously grows. This is the main stem actually picked the main stem. Pati yapati stem main stem. And is called as decarent. And main trunk up certain height length increase baki branches. They grow vigorously. The branches vigorously. And the main the branches on main trunk grow vigorously. The branches on main trunk grow vigorously. So using appearance main trunk. So this is called as decarent stem. So these are called as types of stem. These are called as types of stem. The other stem removes and main functions. Main function. Our general function, main primary function. Primary function of which one is one, it holds leaves, branches, it holds fruits, flowers, it holds fruits, etc. Second reason, main function, it helps in conduction of water and minerals. Conduction of roots will possess roots absorption of mineral and water. But water and minerals absorb both. This is root pattern branch and leaves plant can baki parts and khatru is a stem through main role play the stems of tissue. That is called as xylem. Is a xylem through you should conduct water and minerals. Or stems present also. As a main function that is conduction of water and minerals. So when in the main functions, when you plant come, you stem is true, you should additional functions play. Secondary functions. But modification. And that is called as modification process. Modification. So that stem is only modified stem. Modification of stem. रूट्स में बने में सब रेस्पिरेटरी रूट्स बने में या स्टोरेज रूट्स बने में या सपोर्टिंग रूट्स बने में तो इतने पर स्टेम यूजन छो प्राइमरी फंक्शन अलाउ पति सेकेंडरी फंक्शन कर तो तब प्रोसेस इज मॉडिफिकेशन या तब स्टेम इज मॉडिफाइड स्टेम तब बुनियाद पर सिस्टम क्लासिफाई into various types. One first, on the basis of modification, the stem can be classified into various types. One is called as reduced stem. Reduced stem. One is called as reduced stem. अगर तो याद है इसमें सब root modification पढ़ना हो तब साथ में ये root शो food material store कर तो तब साथ stem इस अंतिम में सुशासन सुशासन reduced शासन in the form of disc-like structure. For example, carrot pneumonitis, yeah, radish pneumonitis. After the stem, system, you should in the form of disc, in a disc-shaped structure, disc stem. Guys, you should completely reduce. You should know disc-shaped structure. That's is called as reduced stem. It is called as reduced stem. The after shows example of reduced stem. For example, bulb, onion is या garlic is stem too much reduced. An example is onion garlic, turnip, radish, carrot, stem should reduce or a disc-shaped structure. So, if you have onions, bulb-shaped structure, yeah, potato is tuber-like structure. That is called as tubers. And a plant stem part you should food material store. That's storage stem. You should tuber-like structure. That is potato one and chip. ये potato अगर उष्मा है आह potato उसमें बराबर के buds present आसन ये पता ये साथ में propagation use कारण चीज़ इसी में potato है पता ज़मीन उसमें स्थान अच्छी वो बड़ा पठन नई leaf या नई हटी या नई root या वो ऐसा आज चीज़ बना reduced stem वो bulb shape ऐसी या ऐसी tuber shape ऐसी हटी so this is called as reduced stem. The modification का अपना ज़मीन that is called as Corn is in case of banana, yeah, in case of what is it? Banana. Number one, number two is pteridophytes. Yemen stem is on lower part of stem. You should modify it. Yes, sir. So you should food material store current. You should underground. After this called as Mohd system. Second system is called as underground stem. Underground stem. Second is underground stem. In underground stem शासन यूज़ क्या ज़मीन में बोन वैसे इस मतलब शुरू it is called as corn. It is called as corn. The corn यूज़ शुरू example है कुछ banana या ये सब pteridophytes fern in plants या तो fern plants in some ferns ये मतलब याद है इसमें वो मतलब Yemen ferment using a stem hot part as underground gasan, and pattern to swell gasan food material store current. So stem should use even mother current times other conditions unfavorable gasan. Shati, misal to forest which forest present, other normal higher go petting aerial part storing happen. Yes, mother is the underground part car ये एक unfavorable conditions and that is no leaf arise with advantageous root and petal near. This is called as corn. Second is rhizome. The rhizome is also the best example is crocus. crocus, yet is saffron tishana kashpur kom shishanes, the tatchasan ye rhizome, yishasan underground, the yes, any stem pattern the adventitious roots there, yeah, and particularly leaf arise, gasan, actually called as rhizome. Either pattern for example, in case of one that is bulb. Bulb, so suchasan underground stem, yeah, tuber in case of potato, tuber. You trust an underground stem, the soil food material store part damage. So these parts have been using your tuber. It helps us in vegetative propagation. And then certain potato seeds what time certain potato tuber buds present adventitious buds root leaf arise gasan. So it's called as tuber. These are called as underground stem. That using system weak crawling that is called as prostrate and weak stem. Prostrate and weak stem. Prostrate and prostrate is going to khaki pipe. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Prostrate and weak stem. Atmazam shows the term using prostrate weak. Atmazam shows runners. These are called as runners. Using your runner branches in case of dood grass. This cash for drum the botany Cynodon dactylon. You show dood grass. You show runner based on stem nodes node pattern adventitious roots one taking to leaf arise. So this is called as runner. That is called as sucker. Suckers, that is called as stone. Stone has the dark modifications. Offshoot. So these are called as prostrate and weak stem. Weak you make them erect runners, sucker, stone, offshoot. The dark should be support erect. That is called as clambers. In a dark, which was weak, but erect, it keeps plant erect. Mother in support is Zorura Hasan. This is called as clambers. Atmos demotion, beans demotion, Atmos, Atmos demotion, basic family, Mother children, even curse for his color one inches, Tim family, giving certain bushes, stem of near rot, squash we call them as tendrils. The tendril is untrue, it coils around a support and keeps stem erect. And if you are asking me, for example, in most plant pattern stem pattern tendril, this coils around a support. It helps a plant to keep erect. And erect also mother current. Oh, that is called as tendril. Clamber. The case of usually stem is stem to modify us. Stem must modify and it helps in protection. In some plants, part of stem gets modified to protect it from and a protection from enemies. Grazing animals from grazing animals. And some grazing animals are safe person. Time something to stem part modified as you should Ganaie Botany. Yes. So thorn is also protect from grazing animals, yim chi safe rosen, wo such a bra modification atmazan gasan. Right? So these are called as modified stem. And what is some the stem asan show? A stem is such node and internal asan. Yes, sir. So this is stem. A such node asan and internal. So node one me and such badas me. I just want to bad. Usually we should buy it and I got should actually it purchase me bad compact with node spec. The node asan should it should like local buy. To use a bird should be body actually it is a part of stem. It is a part of stem. It is a part of stem and is surrounded by leaves, small leaves. And अगर एक bird should be it is actually part of stem. So not you should compare with the help of some leaves. In the leaves surround current. Yes, bird. So you bird is bird it may be of two types. The birds are of two types. One is called as terminal bird. One is called as terminal bird. Go yet some other plant in is plant is apex status. Yen certain bird me. That system that is called as terminal bird. Then bird is forward on the apex of the plant. It is called as terminal bird. It is called as terminal bird. Back to the point. Usually node asan I just a leaf here. I just a arc button. I just a angle button. That is an exile. I just want to bar here. In side aspect here, exile push it here. That is one that is called as auxiliary bar. That is called as auxiliary bar. Again, bar arises from the exile cushion of the node. Add node. It is called as auxiliary bird. So birds are two types. One is called as terminal bird, other is called as auxiliary bird. What terminal name? Apex spectrum. Later name auxiliary cushion or side spectrum. So that is depending upon the function. Depending upon the cushion. And the birds can be classified into two types depending upon the cushion. Top aspect that may be called as terminal bird. अगर ये एक्साइल क्वेश्चन ले auxiliary bar you on the basis of cushion that on the basis of function and on the basis of function we can classify birds into two types. Number one, vegetative bird. Second is called as reproductive bird. And on the basis of function क्या है birds? तब बिहार स्पेसिफिक bird classified into two types. One is called as vegetative bird. Young pattern या leaf में या branch में. In a plant vegetative bird, leaves arise. या branches arise. And pattern usually is vegetative bird आसन छू. And pattern छे चाहे leaf में या branch में. तो बैग वो reproductive bird. ये and pattern flower में. ये and pattern flower. That is called reproductive bird. So what this is on the basis of function. So on the basis of function, bird can be classified into two types: vegetative bird, vegetative bird which can leaf, branch, तो reproductive can flower. Best kunsa this is kunsa system you should modify gasan. Environmental conditions system. Environmental conditions major current to get modified. In deserts, number one there is scarcity of water. There is scarcity of water. There is high temperature. Which is stress condition. वो अमि सातन छु अति हेके ज्यादा वाटर लॉस गस थ्रू ट्रांसपायरेशन वो तमि सा हपो आबच कमी आसान स्कैर्सिटी आसान तमि सातन छु करनी काम ये स्टेम यूजन कैसे ये लीफ यूजन सैक्रिफाइस कर कैसे यूजन लीफ आसान छु अमि लीफ किन ट्रांसपायरेशन आसान वन यम सातन आबच स्कैर्सिटी हपो टेम्परेचर वाले ज्यादा वाटर लॉस कर वाले ज्यादा ये प्लांट दन आई शुड रिड्यूस दिस वाटर लॉस तमि सात छु करनी काम ये जो लीफ सैक्रिफाइस दिवन ये लीफ यूजन छु बन स्पाइन वाले रिड्यूस कर साइज में तमि सातन छु फोटोसिंथेसिस करने खातिर ये छु पत ये स्टेम यूजन छु मॉडिफाइड and during the conditions of stress the stem gets modified into number 1 यहाँ की कैसी whole stem modified यहाँ की part of stem modified कैसा कितना यानी कुछ साथ में कैसी plant whole stem gets modified ये साथ में whole stem modified कैसी that part of system या that modification that is called as hyloclad and a hyloclad is that modification in which whole stem gets modified into leaf-like structure. That is called as hyloclad. That's called as hyloclad. Yes, sir. Example have open shears. Open shear is actually weed. Open shear is actually weed. It's a bit of so you should ask desert the scarcity of water. Open shear should be converted into spine-like structure, small spine-like structure. Leaf stem is into thick leaf-like structure. That is called as hyloclad. One certain part of stem doesn't modify the leaf-like structure. The whole stem, hyloclad in whole stem gets modified. One certain part of stem gets modified. If certain part of stem, both happens, he can one or two load system. After taking one or two load system, part gets modified into leaf-like structure. That is called as clado. That is called as clado. And clado is that structure in which the part of stem gets modified into leaf-like structure. Part of stem gets modified into leaf-like structure. That is called as clado. Clado is one or two nodes. One or two nodes present as to go as is called as clado. Example is rascus. Example is plant is called as rascus. Rascus of plant. That stem of part modified which banana leaf-like structure in order to perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is time for modified. That is clado. When certain doesn't come, how stem as again, but keep when certain PTO modified such banana leaf-like structure, phylode. That is called as phylode. Phylode means when PTO gets modified into leaf-like structure. It is called as phylode. Can certain should as board's examples was a question. Write a note on there. What is the difference between hyloclad? What is the difference between hyloclad, clado, and phylode? Hyloclad, clado, phylode. Hyloclad में whole stem gets modified into leaf-like structure. Clado में part of stem it has one or two nodes gets modified into leaf-like structure. So phylode में PTO gets modified into leaf-like structure. Clear? So that's how to treat photosynthesis current. So it potentially stem happen modify this. Now functions. Functions of stem. What are the main functions? Functions of stem. For example, make a bonus question. The home shown in the phylode clado such needs question ya node internode which have needs yet. The या बाकी शक्ल नीटस मज कुछ जनरस में क्वेश्चन फंक्शंस ऑफ स्टेम गोडनेथि प्राइमरी फंक्शन फर्स्ट प्राइमरी फंक्शन ये नेसेसरी फंक्शन कर तथ मज गोडन इट शाबाश holds leaves flowers fruits branches etc. ठीक
Yes sir.
branches etc. Number 2 में it helps in conduction of water and mineral. Entrance is only question. What is the main function of stem? Main function of stem. The necessary function, but main function of stem is conduction of water and minerals. Which are main functions? Now secondary functions. Secondary function is also what is one. Almost what is the function of that is called as perennation. Perennation वो मैं बोलता हूँ modification of stem in the form of pollen. ना या उनमें rhizome. Pollen and rhizome. मैं उन कुछ during unfavorable conditions. Cattle fish by the drought has sketched the water drought has या fire by the forest season. तब साथ में plant is an awesome ये plant whole part aerial part sorry damage का सन the मगर underground part awesome चाहे scar मासे rise मासे ये शुन damage is doing unfavorable condition but in certain conditions favorable condition ये इनफेक्शन no adaptations root near या no infection but the leaf arise this process is called as perennation and the process during which unfavorable conditions the whole aerial part of stem gets destroyed but without this underground stem but during favorable conditions the adventitious roots and leaves arise from this underground part. Second is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means for example potato is stem yes means so current and produces like plant banana. This is called as vegetative propagation. Next photosynthesis. तब मैं बोलता है यमसन desert में plant शासन ये scarcity of water शासन तब leaf गसन convert into spike तब साथ में stem modify गसन leaf like structure बनन तब साथ में photosynthesis कर डाक में function में तो बेफोन में वही डाक को मैं बोलता है यमसन grazing animals तब plants करन वो तब साथ में क्या plant करन तब stem part modify करन तब बनाऊं थार तो तब साथ plant is given protection and it's protection from grazing animals. Protection from grazing animals. Ishot therefore yat muzani part pleshu karan yani additional role ya additional function shat muzan the basic plant support ki karan. So these are the functions of stem. So I think this was all about stem and part structure as well as modification of